Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So I am catching up on so many boxes. So if they're a little bit old and you've seen a lot of reviews on them, please forgive me. So today I am excited because this box is just way too heavy to lift up again. It's the VIP Beauty Box. And this is a quarterly beauty subscription. It's, I'm not even sure who comes out with this box. I ordered this box because I saw Ronnie at Living Obsessed. I think she unboxed at least one or two of these boxes. And after the second one, I'm like, I have to have this box. It's a little bit on the pricey side. I think it was maybe $140, $150. But wait till you see what's in it. It just has so many great brands in it. It's like a must-have. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. I hope you will hit that like button, that subscribe button, the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, even though they might be old. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty. I just love you guys so much. And for November and December, I am just doing giveaways. You never know when a giveaway will pop up on my channel, so keep out. So again, this was, they call it the VIP Beauty Box. You just need to go to their website. Now they do sell out fast. So by the time people post the videos and you go to order it, it could be gone. That's how quick they go out. And you open the box and there's a card. So I think the day it started was in August. And so if you didn't go in right away, there could be some left or they could be sold out. But I'm gonna try to lift this so you can see what is in this box. Can you see all the stuff that's in this box? It is just filled with skincare. So for those of you that like skincare, hair care, this could be the box for you. And I don't think there is like a card that tells you everything that's in there and how much. So we're just gonna wing it. The first thing I'm taking out is by Josie Maran, and her products are great, but they're pricey. We get them in a lot of our subscription boxes, but you go to reorder them and the retail price is just ridiculous. So this is the Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter, and this is the packaging. So this is great, especially now when it's very dry, but you can use this. I'm not sure if it's all sealed up, so let's see. I can't even open it. Oh, so it's sealed up. I'm not gonna take it out of the box, but I bet you this product goes for $30 to $50. So that's the first thing that I've taken out. The next thing is by Josh Rosebrook. Now, I can honestly say I have not heard of him, but it's a daily acid toner, brightening facial toner, and I do use toners. Now, I do have quite a few backed up, so I probably won't get into this toner. So this might go into a giveaway. I have one going on and I have it like unsealed so that I can still add products to it. And then we have, make sure I'm reading this right, ZO Skin Health, and this is an Illuminating Aox Serum. Now again, I can honestly say I have not heard of this. It comes in this huge box, but I don't think the tube is big. Oh, it's all, I don't know if you can see it, it's like all packaged in there. And it's clinically proven. So, and there's all these instructions on the back with the directions. Apply to clean dry skin. So I will have to check up on this. But again, they put in name brand products, obviously products that, you know, are new on the beauty market. And this is by Amandi, and it's by L'Occitane. Now, they have their own stores, and they put products in subscription boxes. And this is a hand and nail care. So I'm thinking it's a hand moisturizer. So there it is. I'm not gonna open it because this is gonna go into a giveaway. This is definitely a nice size. I'm trying to look to see if there's a smell associated with this. Don't see one, but this will be going into a giveaway. Then we have Rosehip lip treatment, and this is by Kat Butkin. It would be a lot easier if I put my glasses on. And this is all sealed, so this will be going into a giveaway, so I'm not gonna open it. And we always love a good lip balm or lip serum. And this is by Exuviance Gently Daily Exfoliating Pads. And I love exfoliating pads. They're easy to use. Let's see if I can open the box. So this is what it looks like, and I'm sure the pads are inside. So I will be holding on to that. So I've unboxed like all these great skin products. And Route 66, and this is, they put, you know, everything is like white on white here. This is, let's see what it is. Volume and Vitality Abundant Serum for fuller hair. And I love me some good hair products. And it's a spray, so it could be like a root, like a lifting spray. So I will have to read more. It's all on the back, but look at how light it is. So this is a nice product, and the bottle is super nice. So I'm liking that. And there's more. Then we have Nutricentials Pillow Glow Sleeping Mask. Ooh, look at that bottle. Let me see if I can open it. It might be all wrapped up. Yeah, it's all wrapped up. But I love the sleeping masks. You put it on. Some of them you don't even have to wash off. And there's the directions, the little tiny directions on the back. And more. And now we have, by Glow Skin Beauty, Hydra-Bright Alpha Arbutin Drops. And I'm not sure what this is. Brighten Glow in just a drop. So I don't know if you can put this, a lot of this you add to your moisturizer, or you add to your foundation, and it brightens up your skin. And there's the bottle. Wow. Oh, we have more. Milkshake Integrity Intensive Treatment, and this is a mask for all hair types. And I do remember when Ronnie unboxed it, it did have a lot of hair products in there. So that was one reason I was willing to spend a little more. And then we have Dermresults Glow Cream with Vitamin C. And I'm thinking this is moisturizer. And I'm pretty sure I've heard of this brand. And now I know I heard of this brand because I bought, I think it was the AIA Beauty Bundle, one of those bundles. And It was the shampoo and cream rinse was in the bundle, so I bought it. And actually, I'm almost out of it. It's great for colored hair, and when my hair had more like blonde in it, it worked really well. But it does work for, it's like the purple shampoo that you're supposed to use. And I didn't know this was going to be in here. And these are expensive. This alone is probably like $18 each. So I am so glad that I got these in here. Because they said I'm almost done with the ones I have. And then we have Saint and Sinner Velvet Styling Potion. I'm not sure if this is for your hair. Directions: apply Saints and Sinners Divine Styling throughout damp or dry hair and style. So yeah, it's a hairspray. And there's a few more things in here. There's this, I'm not sure what this went to. A random cap. And then we have by Wonder Beauty, and we all have heard of, I'm pretty sure, Wonder Beauty Unlashed. And this is a mascara. So we've all heard of that. And then there's this. I have no idea what this is. But what did you think of the box so far? There's like 20 items or better. And some are going to you guys in a giveaway, because there's no way I can use everything. But I just had to try this box out. I mean, it just had so much. And I'm not sure if they do a preview on what's going to be in the box. Let's see. Oh, it's a mirror. I have never received a mirror in any of my boxes. I've seen everybody unbox these mirrors, and I'm like, how come I never get them? So this is our Smart Mini LED mirror. It offers 3 distinct beauty lights in bright, warm, and cool for a polished look. And I'm not going to take it out of the box, but look at that. How awesome. So I guess this part will dim or brighten in 3 different. And probably, oh, no batteries. It says goodbye batteries. It's USB rechargeable. The perfect lighting, the future of beauty, hands-free. Take it anywhere. So this is totally awesome. So just to recap, my favorite item in the box is going to be this. Again, I've never received it, and it looks like maybe it's a rose gold. And again, it's got an airplane. You could take it anywhere. So we got this and the shampoo and cream rinse. Again, I got some unknown to me products. I'm liking the fact that we got a hairspray. I don't think we get enough hairsprays in boxes. I really do. An intense hair treatment. This is going to you guys. It's a hand and nail care. We have the Wonder Mascara, the sleeping mask. We got some moisturizers and the exfoliating pads, the Josie Maran, and then we have the product that I have to look up. We got a lip thing that's going to go to you guys, a toner. So what did you think of this box? Yes, it's a little on the pricey side. To me, it was, I have to try it once. I don't think I'll get it again, but I needed to try it once. It's more of a skincare type of box versus a big makeup box. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of it. Don't forget, I have some giveaways coming up, and I have a link below for any giveaways I have going on. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next video.